Hey guys, how y'all doing? Hope you're all having a fantastic day as I am. I'm having a great day. It's a super duper sunny, hot as balls kind of day. We're finally having a little bit of an upswing on some Bitcoin action, so maybe we'll have a little bit of a bouncy bounce happening right now over on the markets. We're gonna go into today, guys. We're gonna have a good day today. Hope you're all having a great day. I'm having a good day. You're having a good day. Everybody be having a good day. So how y'all doing, guys? Big shout out for everybody here over on the live streams. You guys are amazing. Remember, guys, smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on yet. I'm trying to stream on every single platform out there. I'm on YouTube, I'm on Twitch, I'm on TikTok, I'm on Facebook. I'm all over the place, guys. No reason why not to get my price action when I give it, guys. I'm here every day, 5 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you smash that like button if you haven't already, guys. So big shout out for everybody here. You guys are amazing. I appreciate and love each and every one of you. Thank you for stopping by. We're going to go in it today. Let's find out what these prices are going to do. Are they going to go up? Are they going to go down? Are they going to go sideways? What's up? I don't know. Let's find out together, guys. Smash that like button if you haven't already, guys. Big shout out for everybody here in the live streams. Also, guys, if you have any technical analysis that you want to do, any coins that you want to look at in specific, go right ahead and write it down on the chat box. I will do my best to do my TA on whatever coins you want to go ahead and talk about, guys. Whatever projects you want to talk about, doesn't really matter. Just go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I will do my best to do the TA, okay, guys? Give me a second over here, guys. Let me make sure that the chat box is working. Let me make sure that the Tickfinity, I got to turn on the Tickfinity so I can read out the chat box over on the TikTok. So big shout out for everybody here in the TikTok. You guys are awesome, like always. 24, big shout out to you. 24 over on the TikTok. How you doing, man? You want to talk about some Casper? You want to talk about some Casper action, brother? Of course we can talk about some Casper action, of course. Why not? Let's make it happen. Let me do something over here. Give me a second here, 24. I need to do the chat. There we go. Let me, boom, refresh. Cache of current page. And there we go. Brutal Crypto! How you doing, Brutal Crypto? How you doing, my man? It's all good, You know how it is, just chilling like a villain. What you doing, brother? What you been up to? Are you any type of trades? Are you buying anything? Are you selling? What are you doing? Talk to me, Brutal Crypto. How you doing, my man? It's all good, You know how it is, just chilling like a villain. Taking it easy, trying to cash these gains. Having a wonderful trade over on my XRP trade, 19%. That is always beautiful to see. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's see. 19%. Not bad. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. XRP actually enjoying this little resistance zone. Not resistance, support zone on the 46 cents. We caught it exactly at the bottom. Hopefully we're going to have a major run up to the upside. Highly unlikely. But if we do, we're in it, guys. We're in it. So 24, my man, 24 over on the TikTok wants to talk about some Casper action. Let me take on my handy dandy notebook. Let's write down some Casper. I've heard good things about Casper. So we're going to go in it today on some Casper action. Brutal Crypto. How you doing, Brutal Crypto? Make sure you guys smash that like button for whatever platform you're looking on me at, guys. The more you smash the like button, the more the information gets shared around the world. We're going to try to grow this channel as much as we can. I cannot do it without you guys' help, so if you guys can help me out, I would highly appreciate it. Smash that like button if you haven't already. So big shout out to you, Casper, man. Big shout out to you, 24. TikTok, shout out to you, Crypto. This is a good day, guys. It's a good day. It's a good day. Brutal Crypto over on the Twitch wants to talk about some DOT. Of course we can talk about some DOT action. Why not? We can talk about some DOT. We can do some TA on DOT. DOT. Ooh, that beats a little. So, and chill. Chill mode. Let's chill and chill. I like that song. Oh. It's called Cassette. Cassette Modulo. a nice song. It's very chill, slow the fuck down kind of song, you know? But not today. Today's more of a hypey day because the markets are jumping, you know? The markets are having a little bit of a bouncy bounce. It's not a chill mode, my man. It's not chill mode today. Today, to the moon. Fuck yeah, let's go. Waiting for that bouncy bounce action, guys. We're waiting for that bullish signal. I think we might get that bullish signal coming right around the corner. I don't know why. I kind of feel it in my gut. There are some bad news. No, not some bad news. More of like bearish news that FTX got their approval to sell about $1 billion worth of the assets that they were holding. So $1 billion sell pressure. I know that they're not going to be able to sell that immediately. It's not going to be in a single day. You're not going to see $1 billion in sell pressure. But you know how the market behaves, you know how they act. The market doesn't really give a fuck. They're going to dump the price over and over again, and it is what it is. So use that in your analysis, okay? Yes, we're having a little bit of a bouncy bounce happening today, but it's not the end-all be-all. Whenever we get rid of fucking FTX and whatever the fuck they were doing, whenever we get rid of all that bad juju mode, hey, power to the upside, okay? Power to the fucking upside. But right now, maybe this is a little bit of a recovery zone so that we can find a little bit of a shorting opportunity on Bitcoin, okay? A little bit of a shorting opportunity on Bitcoin, maybe, I don't know. We're gonna go look at that today. So make sure that you smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I'm on YouTube, I'm on Twitch, I'm on TikTok, I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook. I'm all over the place, guys. Go ahead and smash that like button. And if you want to help out grow the channel, make sure that you share the link, share the information on all of your social media, okay? The more you share, the more people get interested in what we are doing. And I'm trying to get to that 10,000 follower mark over on all of my streaming platforms. It's been one hell of a journey to the upside, guys. Little by little, we'll get there. We'll get there, guys. Chapulín, Colorado, over on the TX. A big shout out to you, Chapulín. How you doing, Chapulín? It's all good, You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain. Super duper chill mode. Enjoying some price action to the upside. That is beautiful to see. Having a little bit of a price correction over on some big counts. We're going to talk about that today. Guys, stick around. We're going to look at it. We're gonna look at it today, guys. We're gonna look at it today. What is XRP doing? Let me just a giggle. I just want to see what the hell XRP is doing. Let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of all the technical analysis we were talking about the last live stream. We're gonna reset those. We're gonna reset those. We're gonna reset everything. FTX gonna dump the price little by little. It is what it is. We gotta get rid of that goddamn beast already. They are a goddamn thorn in my asshole. Get rid of FTX. We don't want them anymore. Get them out of the way. And guess what? If they dump the price, guess what we're going to do? Guess what I'm going to do? Guess what you're going to do? We're going to just gobble it up. Gobble that shit up, Eat it all up. Start buying more. If it dumps from here, we buy some more. You already got my target prices from the last live stream. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. You do whatever you want to do, boo-boo. Also, guys, remember, this is not financial advice in no way, shape, or form. You should not take anything that I say or do or buy or sell as financial advice whatsoever. This is just me recording my journey in crypto, okay, guys? I give you guys my target prices because those are my target prices. In no way, shape, or form do I tell you to buy at those prices. That's completely up to you, okay, guys? Not up to me. Those are just how I am going to be buying. Those are my price actions, okay? And I teach you how to do what I do. That's pretty much what this channel is all about. Okay? I teach you how to do some TA so you can do it yourselves. We're going to give it a few more minutes, guys, just to see how it gets here. So big shout out for everybody here in the live streams. You guys are amazing like always. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. Also, guys, if you have any coins, anything you want to look at, anything in specific, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I will do my best to do some TA on whatever projects you want to look at, whatever coins you want to look at. Go right ahead, write it down on the chat box, and we will do some TA there. Tato! Big shout out to Tato over on the YouTube channel. Oh, today you're in the YouTube channel. You're usually on the Twitch channel. How you doing, Tato? It's all good, all good. You know how it is, just chilling like a villain. Brutal Crypto over on the Twitch channel saying shout out to you, buddy. You're the best. No, my man, you the best. I'm just here, man. I'm just chill, bro. I'm just here to chill. This is my therapy. This is my hour of power, you know? This is how I let go. Talking to you guys. You guys are my friends. This is about how I disconnect from the world, you know? Tato Nator saying Twitch is acting up. I know, Twitch was acting up for me also. And also my restreaming software was also acting up. Make sure that you're not using a VPN. I disconnected the VPN from the browser and it worked. So see if you're using a VPN disconnected and refresh the page to see if that would help. Kwame Martin over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you. How you doing, brother? It's all good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain, taking it easy. Today's a super duper good day. We're having a little bit of a bouncy bounce on the markets. My trade is on the positive. We're about almost 20% on my trade. Check that out. 20% on my trade. That's beautiful to see. Tato over on the YouTube channel saying, meh, I'm so-so. My mom is delicate. I am almost broke and my health is compromised at the moment, but trying to get my head up. You know how it is, brother, taking little by little, day by day. Don't try to control everything. Just let things happen. Sometimes you just gotta sit back and let it all just fucking go, you know? The harder you try to hang on to things, the more it'll hurt, you know? You just gotta let it go. Situations and solutions will come along the way, okay? Trust, have faith that God will help you. And you know, just let it go. Let it go. But is your mommy okay? What's up with her? Does she need anything? Let me know, brother. Let me know. D-Man over on the TikTok saying any information on RCC Monkey. What the hell is RCC Monkey? Never heard of that, brother. Let me see that. Let me see a CoinMarketCap. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. RCC Monkey. I'm pretty sure you're trolling me. Let me see. That's not a coin called RCC Monkey, brother. Don't do that to me. So big shout out for everybody here over on the live streams. You guys are amazing. Thank you for stopping by. We're going to go in it today. Let me move this around over here. Let me move that around over there so I can see better. Let me get some water, guys. Let me get some water. We'll start the class. Oh, shit. D-Man saw it on TikTok. Brother, I don't know what that is, bro. RCC Monkey? Never heard of it. And they don't have a ticker over on CoinMarketCap, so I can't really do anything about that. All right, guys, let's start the class. All right, everybody, I like to start the class the same way every single day, looking on these markets to see where we're at. Are we making money or are we losing money? Are we up? Are we down? Are we sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. Okay? Try to grow to that 10,000 follower mark over on TikTok and all of my streaming platforms. So go ahead if you can help me out with that. I would highly, highly appreciate it a lot. Okay? Give me a second here, guys. Let me put this over here. The stream labels are not updating. Give me a second. I don't know. So many technical issues today. I don't know. It's kind of iffy, you know? They just want to fuck with me. You don't want to fuck with me. There we go. Much better. So yeah, guys, I like to start with Bitcoin first because Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. So if you're going to do your TA, go right ahead and start it with Bitcoin first because Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. You're going to do your TA, start with Bitcoin, okay? It's going to repeat with every other coin, okay? Bitcoin, like right now, you're looking on the screen, it's on the green. And guess what? The entire market is also on the green, okay? Why? Because everything is tied to Bitcoin. Everything that, you know, Bitcoin kind of like drags the market with it, you know? They were here first. It is what it is, and they're king. They're the king. Big Bear, big shout out to Big Bear over on the TikTok. What's up with you, brother? It's all good, You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain, taking it easy. Having a little bit of a bouncy bounce action over on the XRP. You know how it is. Enjoying these bouncy bounces, enjoying these price ranges to the upside, like always. Tato over on the YouTube channel saying, está delicada after her knee surgery. She got an embolia pulmonale. What? And we have her with us. What? She got an embolia after her knee surgery? What the fuck happened there? Yo, that's no. Bro, if she needs anything, you let me know. If she needs anything, you let me know. I'll drive wherever the hell I gotta go. So guys, let's start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin first, okay? Looking at Bitcoin on the daily chart, what is the first thing that we do when we look at Bitcoin on the daily chart? We zoom in. So let's zoom in to the last two candles. And let's see what those two candles are doing. Well, those two candles are beautiful green candles to the upside. That is beautiful to see, okay? But we also have what is kind of looking like a W formation. What is a W formation? Well, just like the word says, it looks like a W, okay? So if you take out your handy dandy drawing tool and you're gonna, let me take out this. Give me a second here. So if you see your trend line, you go like this, okay? Like this, and like this, okay? That's what a W formation looks like, okay? It is a bullish, a hella bullish formation, okay? It's very, very bullish. So your trend should be what? To the upside, okay? If you follow the patterns alone, your trend should be to the upside, okay? I don't have a bullish signal playing out just yet, okay? I don't see a bullish signal playing out just yet, but I do see a formation of a bullish pattern, okay? If you go online and you search for patterns, chart patterns, print that out. You're gonna see a lot of patterns and what to do with those patterns. Print those out and put it on next to your screen, and then you try to identify them on the charts. There's no harm in doing that. It's not cheating. You got to learn how to do the charts. You got to learn how to do your patterns. Okay, so print out the patterns chart. If you search chart patterns printout, it is going to give you like a bunch of different chart patterns. Print them out, put them on next to your monitor when you're doing your TA, and then you can identify what is this pattern. It looks like that. Okay, then I'm going to play it like that. As of right now, I'm looking at a W pattern formation, a potential W pattern formation. Why potential? Because a confirmed W pattern. You see this line right here? The middle part of a W. This middle part of the W, this formation right here, that is your major resistance zone. Okay? That line that I have drawn right there, the middle part of the W. Okay? It is only bullish. It is only bullish. Let me say this one more time. It is only bullish if the price range breaks and closes above it. Okay? It is only bullish if it breaks and closes above it. So it has to break, retest, find the support, and keep going to the upside, okay? So when do you want to get in on this trade? On the confirmation of a W pattern. If you get in now, it can bite you in the ass more times than none, okay? So keep that in the back of your mind when you're doing your technical analysis, that when you have a pattern that is playing out, wait for the confirmation for it to happen before you even consider getting in on it, okay? And if you get in on it too early, you have a premature trading nation, make sure that you put your stop losses just in case, okay? Make sure that you put your stop losses just in case. Right now, I don't have a bullish signal. I do have a formation of a bullish pattern, but it's not a confirmed pattern until it closes above the middle zone of the W, retests it back down, and it bounces from there. That's when you want to get in on a long on Bitcoin, if it actually does play out, okay? Keep that in the back of your mind, guys. Remember this, all of these classes are being recorded in my YouTube channel, guys. So if you want to check out, you can rewatch all these streams as many times as you want so you can learn how to read the charts and you can make your own informed decisions, okay? So with that said, this W, that's potential W formation happening right now. I would have liked to see a double bottom on this W formation, okay? I don't see a double bottom happening just yet. Okay, so maybe we're gonna have that price range come back down so that we do have a bottom. Okay, maybe. I'm just gonna set it up. Okay? I'm just gonna look at it. I'm gonna set it up like that. This is the support. And I'm gonna set it up over here. This is the resistance. Okay, this is support, this is resistance, and this is what I want to see. Okay, that's the pattern formation that I want to see. Not telling you that that is going to happen, okay? It's just what I want to see. This is what I want to see, okay? Tato Nader over on the YouTube channel saying, yep, small clogs went up to her lungs. Oh my God, bro, that is so goddamn dangerous, man. But is she stable? Is she okay? Does she need anything? Do you need anything? Let me know. Let me know. I really hope that she recovers quickly and swiftly, okay, brother? Leave it all in the hands of God because there is nothing we can do about that, okay? You just got to learn how to let it go and let God do his thing. We cannot contest it, you know, we cannot fight it, we cannot control it. So why worry? You know, if you can't control the situation, why even worry? Just let it go and let God do his thing. Have faith that everything is going to be okay, okay? Everything always, one way or another, things work out, okay? One way or another. Vlex over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you. How you doing, brother? Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the stream. Vlex over on the YouTube channel saying, teach me how to trade. How much money have you made? I'm new. Brother, I haven't made a goddamn cent. Brother. I lose more trades than I make good ones, you know? It is what it is. But I'm learning. It's a learning curve, just like everything else. So if you're here to learn, you're in the right channel. You're in the right goddamn place. Make sure that you smash that subscribe button, brother. I'll teach you what I know. But I haven't made a goddamn cent ever since the goddamn bear cycle. But I'm hodling. I'm holding on for the next bull cycle. Let's see how it goes. So yeah, guys, talking about the patterns over on Bitcoin, this is what I want things to play out. Not saying that it's going to play out like this, because this can reverse at any time. Find some resistance and break down to the downside. Okay? Not saying that it will. But it's looking kind of saucy, like it's kind of tempting me, like the girl next door. She's being very cocky and very flirtatious. That's what Bitcoin kind of looks like right now. She's flirting with me and I don't know what to do. I don't want to get in trouble, you know? I don't want to get in trouble. But Bitcoin looking kind of saucy to the upside, and I'm going to trade to the upside. It is what it is, okay? Now, if it doesn't play out like a W formation, there's always another side to the coin. We always play out both sides, you know? Let's see if we have a shorting opportunity, okay? We can have a shorting opportunity. Why? Because we have a high, we have a low, and we have a retest of that low, okay? So we have a reverse shark fin formation, a reverse shark fin pattern. And reverse shark fin patterns are bearish to the downside. That's how you identify a shorting opportunity, because then you take your Fibonacci levels and you draw out your Fibonacci levels. And looky here. Let's zoom in a little bit just for shits and giggles so you can see it a little bit better. Let me automatically set this to fit. And check out what the Fibonacci levels are doing right now. Look at that. It found the resistance on the golden ratio. If it finds resistance on the golden ratio, what do you do with that information? That's your shorting opportunity, okay? I personally never, ever, ever short Bitcoin. I don't trust in shorts. I can never get a goddamn short correctly. So I just don't short the markets. Even though I know the prices are gonna go down, I tend to never short the markets. But I give you guys both sides, you know? I'm looking for entry prices for the upside, but there's no reason why you guys shouldn't be shorting, okay? That's completely up to you. And I give you where are the best scenarios so that you can do your shorts, okay? So if you're in a short right now on Bitcoin, it makes sense. Okay, it makes sense. Don't feel bad, don't feel threatened, don't feel worried, because if you were in a short right now on Bitcoin, you should be. Okay, you should be. That's what the Fibonacci levels are telling me. The pattern is telling me that you should be in a short. Okay, you should be in a short. And where is your target price? Where is your take profit zone? Right here. Right here. These two areas right down here. So there is a high probability that we're going to get 23,742 and 23,059. Okay, so you went in on a short on 26,479, and you're going to hold on to that trade all the way down to 23,742. If it actually does play out. And if it actually does play out, you're looking at a beautiful 10% on your trade. That's a beautiful 10% on your trade, times whatever leverage you're using, if you're using leverage. And I'm telling you to use leverage. Leverage is the dumbest thing you could ever do when you're trading. There's no reason why you should use leverage. You should be patient and you should take things easy. 10%, that is beautiful. That is a beautiful trade right there, 10% on your trade, okay? But if you're using 5x leverage, which is what we do, we use 5x on all of our leverages, on all of our trades. That's 50%. A potential 50% to the downside if you're in a short right now. Okay? Okay? You do whatever you want to do with that information. The charts are telling me we're probably going to keep going to the downside. So make sure that you play according to the rules. It found the resistance over on the 0.5, so and it's breaking the 382. That's telling me that the price will probably going to keep going to the downside. Okay? Okay. Tito over on the TikTok channel saying, do you know when XLS 30D goes live? I have no idea, brother. But we can look at that coin. We can do some TA and let's figure it out. We can find out. XLS. I think I heard about that. I think we did a technical analysis of this coin a few weeks ago. It'll be fun for funsy shits and giggles. Let's find out. Let's just go ahead. Tato over on the YouTube channel saying she is a bit okay. She has oxygen machine, so it recovers. Doctor sent meds for the blood part, and well, we just need to wait. I didn't sleep last night with all the stress and sadness of my brother. I understand perfectly. I lost my mom a few years ago, and it is the worst pain you could ever feel. And you don't really recover from it ever. You learn how to live without it. And you learn how to live without your parents. My father died a month ago. Lost my mom a few years ago. So you kind of feel like an orphan, you know? Because you don't have that backing of your family. I can tell you that things do get better. Okay? You do learn how to live without the stress, without the pain, without the suffering, but you're always going to feel the loss, you know? But hey, don't even worry about that, man. Don't even stress about that. Nothing's gonna happen to your mom. Everything's gonna be okay, okay? Everything's gonna be just fine. Just give it some time. Let her recover. Do her thing, boo-boo. She's a strong-ass woman. I know her. She's gonna be just fine, okay? She's gonna be just fine. Tito over on the TikTok channel saying it's not a coin. It's an XRP. Oh, I didn't know that. I'm gonna have to do some research on that, brother, because I don't know what XLS 30D. I think I heard it's like a staking thing, right? Where you can stake your XRP in the ledger, in the XRP ledger, right? I believe it was something like that. I don't remember where I read that. I personally do not participate in staking platforms. I always try to keep my XRP in a ledger device, in a cold storage device like an EliPal, and just forget about it. But hey guys, if you want to participate in stuff like that, completely up to you. But we can do a little bit of research on that. Yeah, we can look at that. Chapulín over on the TikTok saying, yeah, be positive even if it's hard. There you go, my man Tato. Chapulín over on the TikTok giving you the apoyo you need, brother. We all in this together, bro. We're a community. That's what we're here for. We help each other, okay? Everything is going to be just fine. You'll see, Tato. Everything's going to be just fine. The Lion's Den. Big shout out to Lion. How you doing, Lion? It's been a while. How you doing, brother? It's all good, all good. Do you ever do weekly dibs on BTC? What do you mean by weekly dibs? I don't understand what what are dibs? I don't know what those are. I am him over on the check. How you doing, I am him? Big shout out to you. Check put RND render. Similar pattern to BTC. Render, RNDR. We can look at some RNDR. Of course we can. Some render. We can look at RNDR. We can do some TA on that. Of course we can. So guys, that is your shorting opportunity on some Bitcoin action. Make sure you set up your stop losses just in case it doesn't go your way. Most likely it won't. So you put your stop losses and you play at a 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio. You close your trades when you're in positive and walk away and enjoy the price actions, okay? But that is the plan for a shorting opportunity on Bitcoin. If it actually does play out, okay? If it actually does play out. Now, on to the other side of the equation. A longing opportunity. We have a low, we have a high, and we have a retest of the high. So we have a shark fin pattern. That shark fin pattern tells your Fibonacci levels to do this. And there we go. What is the price of Bitcoin doing as of right now within the Fibonacci levels? It is trading exactly within the golden zone. So if you are longing Bitcoin, if you're in a long on Bitcoin, your entry price was 25,680. Right now, you would be in profits. Okay? Right now, you would be in profits. Actually, you would be in profits either way, whether you were longing or shorting. Because if you caught the long on the upside, it went back down. If you caught the short on the upside, it went back down. If you caught the long on the bottom side, it bounced up. So you would be in profits either way. Okay? Right now, it's a great time to take your profits if you actually caught those on either side. Okay? Now, right now, let's say that you're in a long on Bitcoin. Okay, you don't know what the price is gonna do, but you do know the 3 rules, right? You get in at the 618, rule number 1, at 25,650. You wait for the breakout of the 382, rule number 2, breakout of the 382. Did it break out of the 382, this white line that I have drawn right here? No, it hasn't closed above the 382. So you do have a choice. You either close your trade now, because you're worried that it won't go through the 382, and you would be in profits. You would be in profits, which would be nice. You don't have to lose. But if you don't care about your money, you have the cojones in place, and you're going to wait for that breakout of the 382. Then after it closes above the 382, what is your target price? All the way up here to 29,796. 29,796. So if this long actually does play out, not saying that it will, your target price would be 29,796. Okay? Play it out however the hell you want to play it out, okay? Completely up to you. Me, personally, I am in a long on XRP. Okay, so we're going to look at the same thing, but over on XRP to see if it actually looks, if it's going to play out, you know, if it's going to play out. Okay, so that is, okay, so that is the scenario for Bitcoin. Okay, that's how we're gonna play it. Now let's move on to my beautiful baby girl XRP so that we can look at my XRP trade and let's find out if we're actually gonna be profitable out of this trade, okay? So looking on XRP, we've been looking at XRP for months now. We've been trading XRP on the daily charts, okay? And we've had some very, very good trades, very profitable trades along the way, okay? Now, on XRP, the patterns that are playing out kind of look a little bit bearish, to be honest, okay? It is breaking this support line to the downside, retesting it over and over and over again. I don't have any bullish signals anywhere on any of my indicators whatsoever. We are still within the bearish signal over here. And none of these moving averages are getting close together in no way, shape, or form. So for XRP, momentum is to the downside, but since I'm hopeful and I don't care about my money, I'm going to be longing XRP because I believe in the project, I believe in what they're doing, and I just don't care. I just don't care what people are saying. I don't care what people are doing. I'm going to be looking for longing opportunities for XRP. Okay. Now, since momentum is to the downside, what am I going to do with that information? I am going to look for momentum to the downside, Fibonacci levels to the downside. How do I do that? I have a high, I have a low, and I have a retest of that low. I also have a high here, a low here, and a retest of that low right here. I also have one here, okay? Every time we get a swing high, swing low, swing high, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, or higher high, I don't know how the fuck you say it. Ups and downs, ups and downs. That's just like that. Whenever we get an up, whenever we get a down, and whenever we get an up again, that's your Fibonacci level. Okay, so you choose whichever one is playing out as of right now. We have this one, we have a high, we have a low, and we have a high. Okay, we have a reverse shark fin formation. That is where you're going to set your Fibonacci levels to the downside. Okay, and check it out. It found the resistance on the Fibonacci golden pocket ratio. That is your signal to go in on a short on XRP. Okay, that was your signal to go in on a short on XRP. I'll say it again. This is where you should have been on a short on XRP. Okay, now what is your target price if you are in a short on XRP? The -382 and the -618. We're talking about a potential dip of XRP to 0.36, 364, and 0.32793. Not saying in any way, shape, or form that we actually are going to get all the way down to 36 or 32 cents for XRP. I sure as hell hope that we don't. Actually, no, fuck that, scratch that. I do hope we do get to 36 and 32. We buy some more XRP. I mean, I ain't lying. I'm not gonna lie. 36 cents, I'm gonna buy more XRP. Let's not even go there. Let's not even go there. Crypto Granny, big shout out to Crypto Granny. Big shout out to you over on the TikTok channel. How you doing, Crypto Granny? Big shout out to you. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for staying here for a little hour of power. Ask away whatever you guys want to talk about. Go ahead and write it down on the chat box. You got me for an hour of power. Whatever you guys need, whatever you want to talk about, go ahead and write it down on the chat box, guys. So big shout out to Crypto Granny, the OG. Big D, how you doing, Big D? It's all good, you know how it is. So guys, back to XRP, my beautiful baby girl XRP. What the hell are we gonna do with XRP? We are longing XRP as of right now. This trade that I have open over on BitGet is playing out about 19% on this trade. I have a choice to make. Either I can take this profit and walk away, knowing that momentum is to the downside. We caught the bouncy bounce. Hey, a 19% in a day? That's beautiful. Where the hell are you gonna see that? You're not gonna see that anywhere, you know? Go to a bank account and see if they pay you 19% in a day. Not gonna happen, okay? So 19% on your trade, that's huge, okay? That's huge. You shouldn't feel ashamed if you walk away with your 19% on your trade, okay? Don't be greedy. There's no reason to be greedy. 20% is a beautiful trade. Okay? Anything above 15% is a beautiful trade. Always remember that. But if you're like me and you don't give a fuck about your money, I'm gonna leave it open. And I'm just gonna dollar cost average on the way down if it actually does break to the downside, okay? So I have a limit buy order for some more price action on XRP to the downside, okay? If it does break down, I have one at 36 and I have one at 32, okay? Correction, I have one at 46, which is the one that went in, okay? I have one at 41, okay? Which is this bottom zone right here, this zone right here, which is this double bottom potential zone, just in case it bounces from there. You never know. And I have one at 36, one at 32, and one at 20, this zone right here. These are my limit buy orders for XRP, okay? Wait, no, this one. 0.21163, okay? 0.211, 21 cents, 32, 36, 41, and 46, okay? Those are my limit buy orders, dollar cost averaging on the way down. In no way, shape, or form am I saying that we're gonna go all the way down to 20 cents. But if we go all the way down to 20 cents, guess who's refinancing his house? Don't do that. That's completely stupid. Scratch that. I didn't say that. I didn't say that. Don't refinance your house. Don't sell your car. Don't sell your wife. Don't do that. That's just idiotic, okay? This is the worst fucking thing you could ever do. But since I don't care, I'm gonna do it. Fuck it. Big shout out to Crypto Granny. Talk among yourselves. Let's make it happen, Captain Jack 77. Big shout out to you, Scott. Big shout out to you, Jack. Scott, thank you for that like. Guys, make sure you smash that like button. Try to get all-time highs on the like buttons. I think the last live stream we did about 20,000 likes. Let's see if we can make it happen to 30. Big shout out to Jack. How you doing, Jack? Crypto Granny over on the TikTok saying, come to my live later. I like your vibe. Hell yeah. Let's make it happen. Why not? Invite me. Whenever you go on your live stream, let me know. I'll go in. I'll be on the lookout. Jack77 saying, hi, Sensei. You know how it is, man. Just chilling like a villain, taking it easy, little by little. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok saying, we get attacked for holding. Hey, Crypto Granny, I don't know how long you've been in this game. I've been in this game since 2012. I've seen it, I've heard it, and I've done it all. And you know what? I could not give less of a fuck what people say. Oh, man. And I've been attacked. I've been attacked emotionally, spiritually, physically. And you know what? It's just nobody in this world is going to turn me down. Like, it's just not going to happen. I don't really give a fuck. I don't really give a fuck about what other people are saying. Dynamite! Big shout out to Dynamite over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you, Dynamite. How you doing, brother? We got a low, we got a high, we got a pull back. You know how it is. We on the pullback, what do, Dynamite? We fucking buy some more. That's it. Rinse and repeat, the same goddamn process, bro. Rinse and repeat. All of my purchasing power, Dynamite. All of my purchasing power ready to go on Bitcoin and XRP. I can't afford my rent. I can't afford the light bill, the gas bill, the electricity bill, the cable bill. I'm broke. I'm broke, brother. That's it. I'm like, you know what? Either we go to the moon or I'm fucking homeless. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok saying I curse mofos out. Hell yeah. You do what you got to do, Crypto Granny. Don't let them. Don't let them at all. Don't even give them an inch. Nah. Fuck that. Accumulate, hodl to the moon. Let's make it happen. And the thing is that I don't understand. It's happened before, you know? Same fucking people, same fucking dumbasses saying the exact same fucking thing for years. And every time we've proved them wrong. Every goddamn time. I don't know what the hell they're waiting for. Maybe for us to fuck up or something. It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen, guys. Hodl to the goddamn moon, brother. Hodl to the goddamn moon. Marquise 84. Big shout out to you, Marquise. How you doing, brother? It's all good or good. You know how it is. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok they say don't buy at 50 cents coin, but buy at 29,000 Bitcoin. Yeah, I know. But hey, those are the exact same people we want to sell our crypto at 29,000. Okay? So let them. We need people like that in this market, okay? We need people who don't understand what the fuck they're doing. Because always remember, for you to sell, somebody has to buy. So we need people who don't know what the fuck they're talking about, and they follow their emotions, they follow what other traders are doing, and they don't take the time to learn how to do their own technical analysis, set limit buy orders, set limit sell orders, and take their profits on the way up, not the other way around, which is what most people do. I need people like that in the market, because then whenever we get to $5 XRP, we sell a little bit. And those people are the ones that are going to buy it. Then we get to $25 XRP and we sell a little bit. And then we go to 50. Then we go to 100, 1,000, whatever the hell. I don't know what the hell is going to happen in the future. But it is what it is. It is what it is. D-Man over on the TikTok. Thank you for that likes. Thank you so much. Big shout out to you, D-Man. Dynamite over on the YouTube channel saying risk it for the biscuit. Absolutely, that's the slogan, brother. Risk it to the biscuit, brother, and just buy some more on the way down. You ain't gonna do nothing else, brother. You ain't gonna do a goddamn thing else. Moving on to a little bit of Cardano action. What is Cardano doing? Man, no love for Cardano, brothers and sisters. No goddamn love for Cardano. God damn. Hey, I already gave you my target price for Cardano. 18 cents, 16 cents. It's kind of looking like it's playing out that way. I don't know if we're actually going to get all the way to 18 or 16, but it's looking kind of iffy. Oh man, no love for Cardano, guys. Bottom coin. Start stacking up for the next bull cycle. That's what you got to do. Just stack up on some for the next bull cycle. This is not a tradable coin. This is not a coin that you're going to want to get in on trades with leverage or none of that. No, these are the type of coins that you just buy and hold on for the next bull cycle. Sell it at a win and forget it, and then just rinse and repeat for the next bull cycle. Okay? So, no love for Cardano, guys. No love for Cardano. Let me look at Solana now that I'm looking on Cardano. Well, Solana looking kind of iffy, but it's kind of looking like it's going to keep going to the downside. Oh, but I did read that FTX does have $1 billion worth of selling pressure that's going to get applied to Solana, XRP, and a bunch of other coins. You can do your own research. Go to Twitter, and you're probably going to see somebody tweeting about it, okay? So you can read, what's the word I'm looking for? Collaborate for what I'm saying. Go to Twitter, look for FTX selling pressure. Okay, they have been approved to sell about $1 billion worth of Solana, XRP, and just a whole bunch of other coins. Okay, so do expect a little bit of a push to the downside. They're not going to sell it automatically in the same day, so there maybe not be a major dump to the downside. But $1 billion of sell pressure will push the price a little bit lower. You got my target prices, okay, especially for Cardano. 18 cents, 16 cents. Okay, 18 cents, 16 cents. We're going to do the exact same thing for Solana. Okay, for Solana. So for Solana, we have a high, we have a low, and we're waiting for that retest of the low. Whenever we do get that retest of the low, then we have a little bit of a target price to go in on a short on Solana. So let's wait for the retest zone, but let's pretend for shits and giggles that we do have the retest as of right now, and that is the low that is happening right now. What is your target price to getting in on some Solana action and start stacking up on some Solana? These two zones right here. So what I'm saying is that for Solana, looking kind of saucy to getting in on Solana at $13.65 and $11.78. So when am I going to start stacking up on some Solana? Well, I should be stacking up on Solana either way. Okay, $18 Solana out of a all-time high of what? 300 was it? 300 something dollars? Come on, hell yeah! That's nothing. Those are pennies. Pennies, I'm telling you. Okay, pennies. So you do whatever you want to do, boo boo. Completely up to you. So. Marquise84 over on the TikTok channel saying CSP Casper 100x in bull run. You know what? We could look at some Casper. Of course we can. Let me get out my handy dandy notebook. CSPR. We can do some TA on that too. Of course we can. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok saying, I was looking for my friend. His name is Sensei also. Cool. I'll take a $10 Solana even if it gives half of its all-time high. Absolutely. Crypto Granny. Crypto Granny. All-time high was 300. Half of that is 150. You get it at 10. That's 10x on your money. Not financial advice. I'm not saying that we're going to get to the all-time highs on Solana. We probably won't, but I could be completely wrong, okay? But a $10 Solana, selling it at $100, that's a 10x on your money, okay? Minus the fees, of course. And the emotional destruction that you're going to have to hold on for $10 Solana. But hey, that's not a bad plan, Crypto Granny. That's not a bad plan at all. Videre, I see you. Big shout out to you, Videre, over on the TikTok saying, I'm looking for $80 QNT. We can talk about some QNT. I believe we were talking about QNT on the last live stream. Dynamite over on the YouTube channel saying ADA is a good hodl. Yes, it is. Absolutely. Stack up, accumulate now, and hodl for the next bull cycle. Kwame Martin over on the YouTube channel saying, big shout out to you, XLM bags. We can talk about some XLM. Of course we can. We're going to talk about some QNT. And we're going to talk about XLM. Actually, you know what? Let's go into some XLM action right now. Let's see what are we going to do. Because if XRP does one thing, XLM is going to do whatever the fuck it wants to do. Ooh. Okay, let's zoom in. What is XLM doing as of right now? Well, XLM looking kind of saucy, maybe a little flirtatious for me to start stacking up on some XLM. We do have a low. We have a high. And we have a reversal of the high. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into the Fibonacci levels. Ooh. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in over here. And there is your bouncy bounce. Ooh, almost at the 618 right here. Those were your signals to start stacking up on some XLM action. Did you buy XLM at 10 cents? I always say, XLM less than 10 cents, you buy. You buy XLM anything below 10 cents. Did you catch it? Did you buy it? Are you hodling? Are you holding on for the next bull cycle? Let's make it happen, Captain. So my buy signal to getting in on some XLM action right here. $0.108699. That is my buying scenario, my limit buy order for XLM, $10, 10 cents, 1086, 1086. Now, what's the shorting? The other side of the coin. Let's do that too. Why? Because we have a high, we have a low, and we have a retest of that low, okay? A new lower high. So we have a reverse shark fin formation that gives us the reverse Fibonacci level. So let's do just that. So there is your dollar cost average on the way down. So you're gonna set a limit buy order at 10 cents, another limit buy order at the -382, and another one at the -618. So you're just basically taking advantage of all the highest demand zones, whether it is going up or whether it is going down. 0.089078 and 0.077760. So those are my targets. Those are my targets to start stacking up on some XLM, okay? 10 cents, 8 cents, and 7 cents. Not saying that we're going to get there, but if we do, I do have a limit buy order ready to go, okay? Martin, my man Martin, this is your scenario to play out some XLM action, okay? Do whatever the hell you want to do, completely up to you, not financial advice, but that's how I am going to play it out. Let's talk about some Caspa. You guys wanted to talk about some Caspa action. Let's go into some Caspa. Ooh. Let me get rid of this so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you. Caspa. Ooh. Caspa looking naughty as hell. Oh man. Caspa. We have a low. We have a high. We had a retest of the high. Whew. Ooh-wee. Oh, there it is, guys. Right there. It found the support on the 0.5. It found the support on the 0.5. That was your signal to getting in on Caspa. Okay. Did you catch it? Did you catch it? Okay. Now Caspa broke the 382. Broke the 382 and gave me a bullish signal on my indicator. So Caspa looking saucy, Caspa looking flirtatious, Caspa looking like she wants me to buy the shit out of her. Okay, my target price for Caspa on the way up is these two zones over here. So there is a high probability that we're going to get to 0.07557. And an even higher probability that we're going to get to 0.09481. Guys, this is a 2x type of trade. This is a 2x trade right here. Oh man, Caspa, why you do me like this? Don't tempt me. Why are you tempting me like this? You're the devil. So Caspa, super duper naughty mode to the upside. Oh, I wish I had more money. I don't have any money to buy fucking Caspa, guys. God damn it. Now, let's say that that Caspa doesn't break all the way to the upside. You're gonna wanna buy it on the way down. Let's do the Fibonacci's on the way down, just in case this fucker decides to dump out of fucking nowhere. You know how crypto is. It's just they do whatever the fuck they want. So you're going to want to get on the highest demand zones on Caspa. My highest demand zone right now is 0.02890. And then we do the reverse Fibonacci levels because we do have a high, a low, and a retest. Okay. And those are your buyable scenarios for Caspa. 0.02697 and 0.02409. Okay. So I'm gonna buy, limit buy order at these three zones down here. And I'm going to sell to the upside on these two zones up here. So buy down here, sell up here. That's the plan for Caspa. Okay, that's the plan for Caspa. Let's see if it actually does play out. You got two playable scenarios as of right now, and they're playing out quite nicely. Caspa looking naughty, looking very naughty, by the way. I am him over on the TikTok saying Granny is the person to talk to when it comes to Cardano. Crypto Granny saying, look at Jasmine coin, don't sleep on it. Just a little bag will do previous all-time high at $5. Jasmine, we can talk about some Jasmine. Of course we can talk about some Jasmine. But before we get to Jasmine, Crypto Granny over on the TikTok saying, thank you, I love Cardano, but mad at Charles Huskinson. Yeah, I got no comments on what the hell they're doing. I don't know what the fuck they're doing over on Cardano. I follow the trend, I follow the charts, I follow what the charts are telling me, but so, I don't know. Cardano, it's just no love for Cardano. There's just not enough love for Cardano as of just yet. And Cardano has bitten me in the ass in the past, so, I don't know. I'm not much of a Cardano guy. I'm more of an XRP kind of guy. Yeah. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok saying, great personality, keep it up, positive vibes. No, positive vibes to you, Crypto Granny. Thank you so much. Big shout out to you, Crypto Granny. Well, if you do a live stream, let me know. Invite me over to the live stream. I'll be on the lookout. I got nothing to do today. I got to eat. I'm starving, but I don't got nothing to do today. And we can talk about some good things, whatever you want to talk about. Vidari ICU over on the TikTok saying, I keep dollar cost averaging in XLM anytime it touches 11 cents. I would say anytime it touches 10. Anything below 10. Anything below 10. Okay? Anything below 10. I am him over on the TikTok saying, do I see a short? 0.52 cents is strong resistance. If breaks that I do. 52 cents is strong resistance. If breaks that I do see it hitting those fib levels you mentioned. Yeah. Yeah, hopefully. Big D, big shout out to Big D. Thank you for those glasses over on the TX out. Thank you for those stickers, brother. Thank you so much, Big D. Big shout out to you, Big D. All right, moving on to some DOT. You guys wanted to talk about DOT. Let's see what the hell is DOT doing. Where the hell can we buy DOT? Can we buy DOT on KuCoin? Let me see something here. Where can we buy DOT? DOT. Polkadot. When can we buy Polkadot? Yeah, we can buy it on KuCoin. Why can't I see it over here? DOT USDT. There we go. Polkadot. There we go. Much better. So for Polkadot, oh, very simple, brother. Polkadot is a bottom coin. Look at that. Let me see. Let me zoom out, make sure. No, it's not a bottom coin. Scratch that. There is historical data in the past. It is not a bottom coin. Although it is breaking support to the downside, if you guys are going to play it out, this is where I would start stacking up on some Polkadot. $3.51. $3.51, which is the previous support line. This is huge. There's this candle over here that I don't like. $3.51. That's where I would start stacking up on some Polkadot. Okay, $3.51. Anything below that is a bottom coin. I really don't know what to do. So $3.50. $3.50. And it's looking kind of saucy, like it wants to play out to the $3 mark. Okay. So for Polkadot, it's $3.51. Dynamite over on the TikTok saying, hodling most of my bags. Then when all-time highs hit, it takes profit and wait for the pullbacks. And you rinse and repeat the hell out of it, bro. You do the exact same thing for the next cycles. And let's see how far we can go. Juju, big shout out to Juju over on the Twitch channel saying, why is Polkadot not named Salsa Dot? That would be hilarious. That'll probably pump the price out of Salsa coin, Salsa Dot coin. Romy Rome over on the TikTok saying, ICP, please. Yeah, we can do some ICP. Where's my handy dandy notebook? We can do some ICP. Let me write it down over here. Now let's look at some render. RNDR. Render token. All right. Oh, there we go. So for, guys, come on. Look at that. It hit exactly on my target price for render at $1.26. Did you catch it? This is from previous live streams, and it bounced exactly on $1.26. Guys, I can't do the trade for you. You got to set your levels on your own. I do my best to give you the best highest demand zones. That was the highest demand zone on render, $1.26 and 97 cents, just in case it kept dipping to the downside. You would be in profits right now. Take your profits on the way up. You never know. So for render, those are still my buyable zones to the downside at $1.26, which bounced exactly from there. And if you caught it, you would be in profits right now. And 97 cents if it actually keeps dumping to the downside. So if it comes back down to $1.26, we'll buy some more. If it breaks to the downside, we buy it at 97. and we hold on to it for the next bull cycle. Let's see if it actually does play out. All right, moving on to some QNT. Let's look at some quants. Ooh. So for quants, these were from previous live streams. Blah, 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 blah. Let me get rid of this so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you. Those are my entry prices for QNT. 78, 67, and 54. 78, 67, and 54. Okay, for QNT. Take a screenshot of that if you want to play it out. Completely up to you. However you want to play it out. That's just my research. Those are my Fibonacci levels. Those are my support lines. If you want to use them, go ahead. Completely up to you. Not financial advice, but that's how I am going to be playing Quant. 78, 67, and 54. Not saying that we are going to get to those price ranges, but if we are, that's where I'm going to buy. Okay? That's where I'm going to buy. So smash that like button, guys, if you want QNT to go to $100,000. The more you smash, the higher the QNT price goes. The more you smash the like button. All right, let's look at some Jasmy. Crypto Granny wanted to talk about some Jasmy coin. Where can we buy some Jasmy on KuCoin? Yes, we can. So let's do the analysis there. So for Jasmy, the all-time high on Jasmy was 33 cents. It's trading below a cent right now. It is 0.003. Let me do something over here. Let me go to CoinMarketCap. I'm going to go for Jasmy. How much would it cost me to buy 100,000 of this coin? 100,000 of this coin would cost me $300. $300. If this fucker decides to go to $1 next bull cycle, they'll have $100,000 right there for $300. Not financial advice, but god damn, does it look saucy? Does it look purty? It looks really purty. Buy 100,000 of this coin and wait for the next bull cycle. That's my plan. It's gonna cost me $300 to buy 100,000 of this coin. Bottom coin, guys. Buy 100,000 of this coin and wait for the next bull cycle. That's my plan. Buy it at whatever the hell price you want to buy it, but it's in the buying zone right now. We got a bearish signal. Yeah. Jasmine. Let me put a little asterisk on this coin because I'm gonna get some Jasmine coin. Let's look at some ICP. What is ICP? Internet computer. Internet computer. What the hell is ICP? Let me do some research on this coin. ICP. Internet Computer Protocol. 20 million in the last 24 hours. We're talking about a total supply of 500 million. Circulating supply of 443. $1.4 billion in market cap. That is amazing. The Internet Blockchain incorporates a radical rethink of blockchain design, powered by innovations in cryptography. It provides the first world computer blockchain that can be used to build almost anything online, including demanding web, social media, blah, 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 blah. The ICP token has three main utilities. Provides a source of cycles that are burned to power computation. So this coin gets burned at a periodic time. Secondly, ICP can be staked in the permissionless DAO that governs the internet computer blockchain, creating voting neurons that generate voting rewards. Thirdly, ICP plays the role of a store of value, for example, allowing users to invest in decentralization sales run by Web 3.0. How does the internet computer work? I'm not gonna read all that. Okay, it looks kind of solid. Let's go. Let's go for some ICP. All-time high when it launched was $894. We're talking about a $2 buy-in price right now. Bottom coin. ICP, guys, is a BBC bottom coin. What you do with bottom coins, you buy the absolute shit out of this coin and you hold on to it for the next bull cycle, okay? Bottom coins are bull cycle coins. You buy it now at the all-time low and you hope and pray to the gods of crypto that it actually bounces from at some point on the next bull cycle. So for ICP, brother, it's just a buying kind of coin. You just buy it. You don't think about it that much, you know? Don't think about it too much. Just buy it. If you wanna participate in that coin, completely up to you. 501 Blues over on the TikTok saying, question, how do you minimize taxes from taking profits? Well, I don't give out any tax advice whatsoever. I would suggest you talk to a tax expert, okay? Over here in Puerto Rico, if you have there's different types of tax reliefs that you can have. Okay, for example, if you have an Act 60, talk to a lawyer. They can explain to you. I have the best crypto lawyer in Puerto Rico. I can give you the contact if you guys need, if you move to Puerto Rico and you want to participate in the Act 60. They can explain to you everything. I have no idea how none of that works whatsoever. I'm not a lawyer. I'm not a tax expert. I got nothing for you on that. But contact a lawyer and move to Puerto Rico and get an Act 60. That's pretty much the best way that you can do for when it comes to crypto taxes. Okay? You're not gonna evade the taxes, obviously. You're gonna probably pay like, I think it's like 4 or 5%. I don't know. I just don't know. Talk to a lawyer, talk to an accountant, a crypto accountant, a crypto lawyer, and they'll explain to you what you need to do. But it's all state dependent. It depends on your state that you live in and blah, yada, yada. Robert Stuck over on the TikTok channel saying, do you surf over there? Brother, come on. You come to Puerto Rico and you don't surf? What the hell are you doing with your time in Puerto Rico? There's nothing else to do. Puerto Rico, at least my lifestyle, is the beach and Netflix. If you're home, you're watching Netflix. If you're outside, you're at the beach. There's a beach every 10 minutes, wherever, in any direction. So, so yeah. All right. Marquise over on the TikTok channel says, VeChain price in bull run. So for VeChain, brother, look at that. These are my target prices for VeChain. Okay, I think we talked about this on the last live stream. Okay, 0.012 and 0.011. Not saying that they are going to reach those price ranges, but if they do, we limit by order on the way down to those price ranges. But a target price on the next bull cycle, I have no idea whatsoever, other than target price for the next bull cycle on VeChain, $2.18. Obviously, this is completely dependent on Bitcoin and whatever the hell the people on VeChain are doing. I don't know what this coin even does, so I don't really know anything about this coin. And $7.46. So buying it at a cent and selling it at $7, you are going to be seen as the biggest crypto genius ever. Ever, if it actually does play out. Okay? Okay? Actually, you know what? I'm going to put a little asterisk on VeChain because I'm going to do a little research on VeChain. But if this fucker actually plays out like that on the next bull cycle, you better give me a goddamn donation. That's all I'm asking. A goddamn donation. Let's see how my trade is doing. 19.81%. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. That's about $300 in profit. I went in on a $2,000 trade. It's like about $300, but I'm gonna be holding on to this trade for a long months down the line. I'm thinking about holding on to this trade for like the next bull cycle. I don't know. Let's see how it actually plays out. Let's see how it goes. I don't know. Okay, one more coin, guys. Algo. Let's look at some Algo. Big shout out to BH Dimples over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. We're looking at some Algo. That's going to be the last coin for today, guys. Algo Rand. I got to go get something to eat. I am freaking starving. So Algo Rand, we were talking about this on the last bull cycle, on the last live stream. And these are my target prices to getting in on some Algo action. 8.85, 7 cents, and 6 cents. So 6, 7, and 8, pretty much. 6 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents. Okay, take a screenshot of that because that's how I am going to buy some Algorand if it actually keeps dumping to the downside. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. Big shout out to you, Dimples. Big shout out to you. All right, guys, that's all the time I got for you today. I will be back again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern if God permits. I will try to do my best to do some TA on whatever the hell the coins are going to do from here to tomorrow. We're going to be holding on to this trade for a longer duration. Let's see how we can make some money out of this trade. So thank you all for stopping by. Had a whole lot of fun. I hope you did too. I will see you again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern if God permits. Make sure that you like, follow, and subscribe to all of my streaming platforms. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I'm on YouTube, I'm on Twitch, I'm on Kick, I'm on Facebook. I'm all over the place. No reason why not to get my price ranges, guys. So again, guys, thank you for stopping by. Hope you all had a lot of fun. I appreciate and love each and every one of you. Thank you for giving me your time, your little hour of power. I will come again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. Take care and God bless.